Lauren, you coming up? Shout out. All right. So, we've got something called paper cup. Well, these are plastic cups. You take this one. What's your name?
Bianca.
Bianca?
Jilly.
Jilly. And Lauren's coming. I'll give this one to Lauren. Here we go. And we've got 3 elastic bands. Here we go, Lauren. You take this.
Yep.
Now, I did this on the Today Show, and it was a total failure. So, now it was. I'm not just kidding. It was. I'm not going back there. All right, paper cup flies. What you need is some cups. Okay, this is so easy. Plastic cups. You often see me at the back of like communion as they come out because I collect the cups off people. I usually wash them after, and you need some masking tape. And all you do is you get your cups and you get some masking tape like so, and you go around the cup like this, so it's really easy. I've just spray painted them, put like markings on them so that you can see this a bit better. All right, that's pretty easy. You can do that at home, can't you, Kelly? Yeah. All right, good. This is the hard bit you can't do at home. Okay, this is really, really hard. Hold that in your right hands, please, ladies. Okay, right hands. Come a bit closer so that you're on screen for me. Here we go. Okay, get your right thumb. Hopefully we're not all left-handers. And you put the elastic band on your thumb like that so it's dangling. Now, I don't have this on my YouTube channel, but there's this American guy called Bruce Yini, and it's his top video. And then you drag down, but not too hard, and then you go around like this. Now, it looks easy, but you know, I'm a skilled expert. And then you sort of hold it like this. Kim, what's wrong? And you go, look at that! Hey, oh! Okay, now, let's have a go. Let's see who's, whoa! Oh, upside down. Oh, back to front. Okay. I'll do it again. Here we go. You did pretty good. Aim up there, 45 degrees there next time. Here we go. Right hand, thumb. Here we go. And around, not too tight. Here we go. Oh, I should be the master at this. Yours is upside down again. You're going to hit yourself in the face, but that's okay. Woo! Oh, just do it. Doesn't really matter. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. And that's why I'm doing the talk. But thank you so much for coming up, ladies. Now, at the end, if you come, what we'll do is we'll work out the book later on. Okay, back to your seats. Whoa. Okay, so look, 1 out of 1, that's not bad for me, actually. Now, I'm not too sure how we're going to go for time. Jamie will probably come up and wind me up later on, so that's okay. Paper cup flies. Now, these things here, these bottle ring flies, right? These are so surprising. All they are is like a plastic bottle. Okay, now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I'm not going to waste a plastic bottle on my kids because I can get 10 cents. Hey? Is that what you're thinking? I knew you'd be thinking that. And so I've sorted out the problem. Okay? This is it. You've got to make yourself this one. Okay? Right. It's pretty simple. You just need a piece of wood and some string. Do you think you can make this? Okay, what you do is you take this down to the earn and return. Right? Press the button. Scans it. The little conveyor belt. And just before that door goes down, whoo! This bottle is paying off my mortgage as we speak. I'll get $50 to the highest. Anyway, so I can't chop this one up. And this bottle here, this bottle's very special to me too. It's signed by Natasha, what's her face? Well, it's lucky she's actually still got a face, but anyway, this bottle's signed by Natasha. That's an in-joke, but if you want to know what the in-joke is, just Google my name and look for science teacher decapitato Natasha Belling. But anyway, this bottle I can use. Now, have you ever made an invention before? Well, I have, and apparently if you come up with 2 original ideas, you're a genius. Now, I think I've actually come up with 1 original idea, and this is it. So I'm halfway to becoming a genius. Are you ready? It doesn't even work. Your kids will love this one. It's a Flappy Bird. word. Right. Okay, no. All right. So sharp knives and kids don't go that well together. But what you do is maybe you can help them, and you go around the bottle with this, and then I get the scissors. Once I've started the cut, I get the scissors out. Oh. So cutting. Oh, have to start again. Here we go. Anyone who knows me knows there's going to be blood in a moment. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, so we've got this ring, and then you've got to get some duct tape, or some electrical tape, or masking tape. And the masking tape goes around the front. And you're thinking, this thing's not going to work. And look, chances are that you're right. But I have seen them work. And you go around about 20 times. You need a little bit of weight. So here's a bit of weight. Now, are you ready? I'm hoping. All right, you've got to give it a bit of a spin. Now, the glasses go on. Good job. Look at that! Oh, I'll give it another go. Here we go. I'll head that way. Maybe over the lights. Whoa! Let's get that one back because I think I can do a better job. Here we go. It's almost like, let's see if I can get it. If you see it, just duck. Oh, Kim, I warned you not to sit there. Last year you trod on that broken bottle, didn't you? I'll go up this time. Woo! And another one. So, Kelly, two things you can do at home. All right, good. 2 down, total successes. Now, all right, some more science that you can do at home. You're going to actually teach your kids physics here, okay? Now, Tim, you're going to come and help me with this one, please? Please, Dr. Barling, yes, coming up. Okay, Tim's a lovely gentleman, and he's bought 3 of my books, so he's like top of my list at the moment. Okay, so you need some cans for this one. Now, this is a classic, but I just don't. Stand on this side, please, Tim. Right. Take the string, please, and put it on your finger. Okay, that's it. So you need a bit of length here, otherwise it loses its effectiveness. Okay. Now, you guys know what I'm doing. Seriously, if you don't know what I'm doing, then you didn't grow up with a Curiosity show. We'll take that back off, yeah? Whoa. Now, I've got a hole in that tin. Who knows what I'm making here? A telephone, very good. Okay, that goes in there like that. I'm a little bit nervous. Got it. Oh, okay. And then you tie some knots in it. Now, this actually will teach the kids about waves. Now, there's 2 types of waves, well, 3 types. Compression waves, transverse waves, and I don't know what the other one is, torsional waves. But this will teach them about vibrations and about receivers and transmitters and that sort of thing. So, Tim, you're going to hold onto that can, and what you're going to do is put it to your ear. We've got to pull it tight, but not too tight, because it will just pull out, you know, I'm not saying that. Put it to your ear.
Yeah, you still going to be on mic?
Okay. Put it to you. Hello, Kim. Can you hear me? Apart from through all the microphones and that sort of thing, is anything coming through this thing like that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Got another call coming through. I saw that on TV. I just had to do it. I think I'm out of jokes now, but if you want to go, you can go. That's definitely my favourite. Okay, so 3 out of 3, that is... Jamie, what are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Did you want one more?
Yes, one more. Oh, no. Okay, I want to go for 4 out of this was you're at 3 out of 3. This is so the kids can a piece of stick. You can use your multi-purpose bottle stick. All right, gets lots of uses. And you tie different length little strings to it. They have to be different lengths. That's the key thing. And they've got different toys. Now I've made a big one. Here we go, like this. There we go. And this is a magic mind power stick of science, okay? So, and it's got my favourite characters on it. And here we go. Woody's upside down so I can read my name on the bottom of his shoe. Now, this is the Magic Mind Power stick. Now, this is unbelievable, this. Now, Jamie, you have to tell me who's your best character. Who's your favourite? Okay. All right. So they're not swinging very much now. Sort of, all right. So I've got to now concentrate all my mind power on Woody, okay? All right, here we go. Look, hang on. Hello, Woody. Hey, is it, hey? Here we go. Hey, oh. Now you might be thinking, okay, he got lucky. It was only a 1 in 3 chance that that thing would work. Is that what you're thinking? No, no. Can you stop him swinging for me? Okay. Who'd like to suggest a different animal but not Woody?
Piggy.
Who?
Piggy.
Ham. Okay. Bacon. This will be an easy one for me. Here we go, bacon. Oh, look at this. Oh. Hey. Now, if you want to know how this works, you've got to buy my book. Whoa, look at that. On my ear. Whoa. Here we go. Hey.
Yeah, put these together. Jacob Strickling, thank you, that was fun. What we might do, maybe let's throw to one question if we've got one or two, and then you're going to be floating around. So I thought people could just come up to you after and ask for some practical stuff. Does that sound cool?
Sure.
We don't need first aid down the front?
No,
That's
she's all right.
It's crazy. You're right, Dave.
Why would-
I was going to get hurt.
Yeah.
Do we have any questions? Yeah.
What's the baking soda for?
It's not baking soda. It's corn flour, and drinking chocolate. And I was gonna blow some flowers into some flames and get some, but we've run out of time. So sounds like we're gonna have to do it. Sal, come up here, please. Sal. Okay. Now this thing's quite famous. I found it with some plastic bottles out the front of my joint. But Peter Stefanovic has actually put his lips to this. Okay? So probably that's why I used to know anyway. Okay. So I'm going to choose this flour. Here we go. I'm going to pop it in. You can do this at home too if you're fully insured. Okay? And just get the old camping stove, like so. Here we go. And what we're going to do, Sal, is we're going to sort of blow together at the same time, at sort of the same hardness, sort of, yeah. And not just a quick little, anyone see the Terrigal fireworks? Gee, they went off well. I was actually relieved. I was like, oh, and I had nothing to do with it. I kid you not. Here we go. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and then sort of blow. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! Now, it's not an experiment until you do try something different. You know, that's a demonstration. It's not an experiment until you actually try. And so Stewie Drennan said, "What's the cocoa powder do?" And I said, "I don't know." But we'll find out. Are we ready? Andrew Heard, we're up. The insurance is all good. He's like, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ay, ay, ay. And it's going to smell like chocolate bread in here in a minute. Okay.
Put your hands together for Jacob Strickling.
And Sal. Thanks, Sal.
We're going to press pause on the main science fun, but you guys sticking around, so if you want to come and have a chat, talk about books, talk about that kind of stuff, just hang out, that'd be cool.